industry in Ghana. In a way, many of brand for Yajin. From one side, so me share from this side Ghana has say, your institutions. Institutions are one no. Omo nyina be a play in the role also or play. You and I dating the dancers say it's not up to expectation. You can say omo yeden. Omo do. You can say music industry. And your structures are yashe go or say enhwe nyom to phone song kwa. It starts from the writer of the song. Near outro nyom no na so na music industry na start it. 1 2 engineer na okoye nyom no studio kuna yakọ sise nyom no with a producer na ọkọ arrange nyom no and also ka ho e ma na industry. That's the second point. 3 dia ọkọ gina boot nim akọ recording nyom no samete hey aboata kwese ras na me ama tro me nyom asate afi ho se me ama de me nyom no ko studio na se me ama o studio na me ama record me ho a se ne Kwame Eugene eyi se ne other musicians ni bi ono ati me record ne ho atike wa mo no ono aye ono a beat. A second point to her. Third point. And you man more recording, so to a good mic, you mama recording, and then another point. A part of the industry. Why you know studio every year no? Ya the woman back up baby, I'm a register, no mono, and you man be doing say, no money, ya what dear. And then you 4. Ya share hona, your copyright, omo responsibility. So, one you more why you know. If I know man bra, never register. Such when I writing, you know, I songwriter, I will try you know, when I producer, also recording, you know, also now I singer, oh yeah, then also you know, I record it, and as a one I'll try when you I record it, be bra, never register, say, you know, and Ramuno, Copyright Act, no, you be protected when you know why ye, and your intellectual property, send you be so silly and sit down, on one cover be registered, then or call Lands Commission here, there. I'm already registered the man, and I do Mr. Danny and Ediano. Sana also so you man away no. And ya deal be doing any who say deal when am you. And you want us a wild dream out there then. Would you create and say your fashion designers? Or be to me design your idea. Sa style no. Who ya bear now there style living nation. The mobile phones say you see. So phone A, any phone. Not a phone B, company B, so the fact the same style no koya. It's Yamra. Copyright on my Jumo. So me bebo wa adwuma na wayɛ ne ho ban ɛno nso ka wo bi ma industry ne yɛ den esi ho wayɛ wie no wo register side na wie na nyum na wie no de di one say wo distribute wo nyum no ɛne na ɛkɔ promotion ho no wo distribute nyum na yɛ sɛ wo yɛ den you are doing your promotion wo de bɛkɔ radio stations amaya abɔ nyum no wo de bɛkɔ yɛ social media platforms so distribution channels ni nyinaa digital platforms ni nyinaa Spotify ni yɛ ka ho iTunes ni account ni nyina obe make sure say enyum ne be den ebedu ho saa nkofo na yes ade ni nyina no omo so eka ho ma industry ni eden edim sa obe ko perform wo nyum no obe ko gina stage so sa wo to wo nyum na perform the entertain audience no performance na wo gina ho ye no ye won nkofo a omo so they have a role to play and you from choreographers ni ade na omo so play a massive role ama o performance ni so ye den edim some confirm mo yes ade wo ho no so no they also play a part ema industry ni eden edim ene say obi abia ne drinking spot say obi abia ne barbering shop say we abia ne bia ode enyom eye na adwuma say radio station yati mo po nyom wa ha TV stations e bo nyom parties ahoro obekọ party ahoro enyom na mo de gigi mani obo we use say enyom ni nyina so no ye wo gamro eye Ghana Music Rights Organization almost so put tire so money so any dia run shop so many say obi bia we use obi creativity e be entertaining the fans and as or the entertaining the customers say drinking sports say barber shop say radio station mo the entertaining the audience no most mo chia sika bi na sense kan ya gigi aboa musicians no near all yes sika gigi no ono so play a role in the industry it is a cafe industry a whole collective thing obi bia we play a hand in the music. Say be or say the production level, say your distribution level, the performance of the music, say them ra and so to copyright in the account in no. E can be. You come have say no. Say man aposin. Your institutions on the place our roles ni now. But omo djuma no mu di no, ye hu ne sa. sɛ bibi ato sisi ya na yare bi abɔ sisi ya Ghana ha so yɛ dwumtini a hwan na akɔ so agu ne so music a ɛna wɔsɛ wɔn hwɛ the welfare of musicians ɛnwomtofoɔ ɛne mo a modi nnwom akyi no mo daily life sɛnea mo abrabɔ mu ɛbɛyɛ mo welfare no music a ɔmo responsibility sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ saa deɛ yɛmi sɛ ɛho sɛ ɔmo yɛ saa adwuma no anaa saa adwuma no ɛkɔ so anaa it is ɔbrɛfoɔ bɛka sɛ there is no industry a mene ne yɛ adwene wɔ hɔ because organizations ne yɛte ha yi sɛ me ama yɛ me nnwom yi rasefo me a na ɛsɛ mepɛ bloggers mepɛ DJs mepɛ promoters sɛ ɔmo yɛ den ɔmo push me nnwom no sɛ mo record label ase kora na me record label no ɔmo na ɛsɛ ɔmo yɛ saa adeɛ no sɛ nka institution ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛyɛ adwuma yɛwɔ industry yɛ adwuma sɛnea wɔbɛkɔ yɛwɔ Sony music distribution channel ne adeade hɔ wɔbɛkɔ yɛwɔ digital platform so kɔ universal channel ɔmo yɛ nnwom na ɛnyɛ musicians na some record label na ɛkɔ distribute o sheki kan sɛ bi mene ne adwene wɔ hɔ ɔyɛ under record label the band distribution of the music ɛnyɛ the record label no ɛna distribute nnwom ɛnyɛ ɔmo asɛdeɛ no yɛwɔ institution under the industry a ɔmo responsibility ne sɛ nnwom na yɛayɛ no they should distribute it. Do we have those institutions in Ghana under the industry? Yenebi. Ebi ni wasa. It is a brand from Babonte that said there is no music industry. Ah, I didn't even know. I didn't even know. Ono aya nyom, ono the producing nyom, obebo capture the video, distribution of the music, promoting of it. That's what I said there is no industry. I don't think so. I say a china no si boni. But the beer can make china no si boni here no. And so we played 20 years in the industry, or celebrating the 20 years in Ghana music. Or who said there is no music industry in Ghana? No, a den of rap Abuama industry. Rap or Tonyum senior, or Tonyum on another primary. And I was, oh yeah, but who say you don't see the strong cassette? No, I was expecting saying those days never don't see the strong cassette. No one hasn't come late foundation here. Because the likes of you can say that's why for near the more distributing music for circle near Diana. Can't come show me about how a human home. And yes, all tongue and an fast work. Now, woman, this and every week, what just kakra na ubenya or hono. And only an arm or marsh and year or Bradford in the cities, and I come out select on distribute every week or qua say 1,000 copies and a ton one. The first one benya also and I say a woman now I did not or friend say and no it's a so babe soon almost can't be in Abanisa because those days can almost distribute your music and almost come about home and almost for me organization be together. I think they come with the way forward. I'm who say and Africa you pro and rough on technology. I'm 1 year so you change and America for Europeans some idea saying almost distributing so almost go so talk affect and as a see this and and then what's in the near future? They didn't sit down to think of all these things. It's the music can I hear first strike those I hear first in England. But it's super rough for no more because they never laid the positive structure behind my end. Oh, who said there is no industry? Institutions in England. Oh, for then away. What did you do? It's a honor I think say many said there are no structures. Positive structures are having a positive impact on our musicians. Say Ghana bet na kwadidi sika na say kweka 70 cedi ni atamama obi a watu nyum over 15 years 20 years. Such an insult. But see this can sit down. Na dia ono na bre what some ni moja ni aka using intellectual property. Amamanya sika ne dia you don't think about the welfare of such a person. It's a bad thing na my music na ye den akoso. It's a broad forecast I think someone dey me na adwo ba almost come oru a come be play. Me come Miss B. Our feelings entertainment. Africa. Miss B is not the first person. So we'll see record label. Yes. Me to me, Abrabom no yes sir. If we are saying so, on us a own pet changer. One share attend and will be stagnant. And so say our comfort zone. There you there. At times you have to make a move. Or Bradford, but he was under hammer of the last two. Or Bradford, of course, was a hammer sayana. Or in execution entertainment. Or Bradford feel ho. Kwa kese bae. Kwa kese se hammer sayao. Kwakase wankote Map Time Entertainment. Our in the music. I wear them the same person also for Hammer Hoa. Wankote VRMG. Ti flow mo no mo keka ho nyina omo baye omo follow Hammer e trend ni nyina obi at the record label. A obo na adwuma. Ya beka say Links Entertainment na musicians no ebi obi fi ho a ya she dan hu impact ni here because e hu obi a wa fi Links Entertainment wa ya den wakoso ebi no na amanfo ehu ne say ebi a ebema music ya den perform but to me the hu ne say she has made a move the na me dream ho because here kasa ne kan say music ne nyum bebrenya ono na ya den otro Rich Trobi Mano Wam Eugene Mutrobi Mano or other writers omo won ho omo tro ne nyum man sani kaki any Jam Master J Echo di party ama Jam Master J aba bonti abeka me yate ase ama ye hu say saa na owo ne record label ase kaki wo ne record label ase no krampo no contract mo no mo tro say ofi ho a na nyum bia no obetumi aye den akọ perform business so contract no ebekwa tia na se ho na ebekwa tia na dia then here all problem cause ne nyum a wa ye twam nyina no wan hwe ya no wantimi ankodina ba bia anko perform ho na ekwa tia no then mom sanya sa na tia na say she entitled to all the songs any adwuma wa ye nyina and the Links Entertainment dia me I think so okọ na nim any music ye no adwuma a wo ye it's ni nyina na surround say one lay the foundation here and the Links Entertainment if you have to tell you no senior untumi nye apprentice da and I say untumi di obi achi da forever say wo de papa ko fi kire wo adwuma ye nti papa ko fi ana ne obedi na chi saa no I find out come you supposed to be your boss now so aboa omo wa wase why be 8 years under Links Entertainment it's na no say bam na say o say only rich in adwuma bi mtu no be funny way I think say or funny way you can say when they say yeah when they say other cancer they say girl no say the refi ade uncle Kai VGMS last year Richie you can say Bullet Ekwaji award ebony ni ayen as artist of the year ono why na call Odu stage no so no platform no so me dan na woye Oma when the say that time dane na ho de the backside the try audience no the try Ghana for no obi bi otu TV achi hwe and obi na no can say there is a replacement here
misfortune rather misfortune
or the misfortune moment that try sure
misfortune or when they say no the call misfortune or the better
meaning say under the camp no that time no Bullet na kasa I sure say or per replacement di ama hwan ebony or po obi ama na be si ebony anan or the misfortune dane na ti the tray and or the when the change so aba you me say I say share the style of when the shape near from compare the style of ebony are they alike similar and say yes similar share the choruses of when the shape never compare the choruses of ebony the style of singing Africa no good thing an appearance the way she carries herself it's the same thing na with ebony so to me I think so because of say ebony enti no amagana font me mane kwan mane nya de oya to me I think so no na ma ne ho kwan na aba ne sa anka oba no na ko do no a different style bi ba ye you eno baroni so say eno ne style to nya oba eno kan say ono so no ebi abrana na ebe to nyum to ono so be to nyum say na abrana na to na or the style na ye dey but I was thinking say when di ba no ono so find a different style embra okonfo kwa dey abeto nyum na say me ba na me to nyum to say okonfo kwa dey me enso say me twen obi be ka tell me say me to nyum to okonfo me ga say na me to nyum mini it na say o man ha no e wo ho sa
black and so and I tell you now no